what do you do with the Bitcoin besides it just gather value?
Real estate developers in New York City, they're not buying the real estate because they want to live in it.
But like most of the people who are buying assets at some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. There's a name for them. We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay? Right? Like, the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura. Forever.
Right, but I mean, we can all look Bitcoin sort of as
forever, Laura. People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor.
What's up, Ethan?
Poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. There's a name for them. We call them poor. 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 Okay.
Okay. Oh shit. Hold on a second. Let's see. My button got stuck here. Man, yes. Hey guys, welcome to the Peters Report live Friday check-in. Y'all let me finish. What's up?
What's up, GP? Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Your phone number, I think your phone number has an extra digit. It's the 2.
What the hell is 2-1 in there?
You were wishing you turned 21 today?
I don't know. That might be difficult. Damn, I wonder why there's a 2-1 on there. Man, I don't know where that came from. We'll delete it. SoFi's coming back. Somebody said we'll get on the charts and check that out. You had a good week, Jess?
Yeah, I had a good week. What about you?
Yeah, counts are going up. Second income stream's flying. That's always nice. It's
and we get paid. We get paid today.
Get paid tonight. Today. That thing I posted, I think I was up 17%, or was it 14%?
Yeah, 17.
Well, I thought there was a lot of erosion.
Yeah, you've been day trading, and you said you've been green like every day.
I don't know how much of that accounted for. It probably accounted for at least 1%. I have to add it up and see.
At least.
What's up, man? I appreciate all the birthday wishes. That's very nice. What's up, Skylar? Patrick? Louis? Let's see.
Lewis?
Lewis? Let's see. Somebody sent me a thing that says, if you're not in the MFG, we call you poor. I like that.
Yeah, that's the new thing.
Oh, you're getting a little shout outs here.
That's nice.
What up?
What's up, TD?
International Day. The hell does that mean?
It's your birthday. International GP Day?
No. I didn't know if
That's
it was
hilarious.
actually. Oh, it is. It is. What is it?
Valentine's Day?
Yeah, somebody said they love the semi-auto.
That's great. Someone named it on the live. I can't
Yeah, that was
take
funny.
credit.
48 laws of power say take credit for everything.
I knew you were gonna say that. I knew it.
Let's see. We'll run through the win a little bit here. If you're let me pull something up.
You got to check Coinbase because people sent you Bitcoin on Coinbase.
Yeah, somebody sent me $100, $200 in coin. I wasn't sure what it was for, and then I guess it's for birthday.
Yeah,
That's nice, huh?
yeah, that's cute.
That's a chunk of Bitcoin. I didn't realize my shit's off. I got to go fix this. Shit, it's been off all week. I got to get a better. That was a new board, and it was kind of hard to get a picture because of the lighting. Oh, hold on.
Mm-hmm.
So hopefully this one will be better. Did you like the board for the second income stream?
Yeah, I liked it a lot. It was pretty organized with good structure.
Yeah, I'm gonna play with a couple things on there.
What's up, Wild?
All right, there we go. Thank you, sir. Yeah, so what I was about to say. Oh, that's on the other side. The wind over here. You really want to learn this. It's, it's not an exact science. We have an article out there about it. Doing homework. Pretty sure. Yeah, there's a link. Yeah. No, I thought I used to have it. I must have took it off. That sucks.
Yeah, you used to have one.
Yeah, I got to get that back on there. We got a link on, unless you know where it's at, but you could drop it in there. Undoing homework. And the wind.
Yeah, I'll drop it.
Is the 7 major assets, and we can kind of, allows us to see the big picture. So, and then we rank them, and you see gold was top one, all the way down to oil being the worst performing asset. And if you see oil, stage 1 buys across the sector. So that's oil starting to turn. We'll check on that. Where was Bitcoin? Number 6.
Yeah.
Check it out. So I think I posted this in notes too and said I was buying futures contracts.
Yeah, you said you were like buying it in mass.
Yeah, I was trying to get like 10 Bitcoins. Yeah, stage 1. So it's building out here. We'll see. Pretty much been the same price since end of November. I mean, this price here is basically the same price over here. Somebody says NVIDIA. NVIDIA's been kicking ass. I've been day trading NVIDIA every day. It has been doing well.
Yeah, you've been green every day.
Dang, Roku taking off. We haven't talked about Roku in a minute. We finished the win though. So if you're smart, you want to set up a folder. You want to set up a folder for all of these. So I can just burn down them. Let's see. There's a channel. Pretty tight channel.
It's pretty tight.
It's what is that? $25? Pretty.
Yeah, like the last channel it did, like over the summer, it was pretty wide. This one's much smaller.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. Man.
The chart looks really good.
Yeah, the charts are marked up nice. Copper. I just add this on here. It's not one of the 7, but it's ripping. So if we look at copper, I liked it when it got down here. Remember, underneath the 200.
Yeah.
And my play on that would be to FCX.
FCX.
Yeah. And starting to run. Something's holding it down though, because copper's ripping and this thing still is having a hard time,
Yeah. So it's like,
See, and they had a downsloping channel. Freeport McMoran.
yeah, and copper's already tagging the extreme RSI,
Yeah, so that
and
concerns
FCX
me.
can't really get going.
Yeah. Could check some other copper stocks and see if it's all of them. If it's all of them, then it could be something else. Could just be. But if you got in, stage one, you're swing trading, you're hitting a previous high, and the early RSI is hitting. So I don't know, depending on how tight you're trading, you might sell some. Let's see.
Yeah, because it's hitting the previous high. I was thinking the same thing.
Yeah. If I was trading it on margin or something, I'd start taking some off as soon as it hit that 41 there.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
Let's see. Take down. Let's see.
Carlos says happy 35th birthday, GP.
Man, that was a tough year. No lie. Working on houses. All right, so that's free for McMoran. Let's get back to the wind here. Boom, hit the good trade copper in the future market. Dow Jones, some people would call this a double top or be a ascending wedge. I mean, a couple things you could call it. We just call it a possible stage 3.
Yeah, hitting previous high.
Mm-hmm. What's up?
What's up, Lena?
Why is it? I don't know. I think they're holding me down, man.
Yeah, they're not counting the votes properly. Happy cake day.
What's up, Tim? Appreciate you.
What's up, Tim? Are they
Let's
getting you a
see.
are they getting you a king's cake for today?
I don't really like king cake.
Yeah, it's not that good.
No. Let's see. Anthony loves that shit though. So the Dow stage 3 anchor point. Here's our stage 2. Now it's going sideways. If it continues to go, stocks can work off an overbought condition. And we describe overbought with the RSI here. Above 70 on the RSI is overbought. Below 30 is oversold. And if those conditions occur and price starts to go sideways, the RSI will work itself down. So it can work off through time, or it can do it through correction. Let's see. Man, this gold chart, huh?
Yeah, gold's been nice.
Gold's been nice. That's a GLD. If I was day trading, I'd be out of this right now. I did tell you I made $217 first 30 minutes of trading, and then I stopped to get ready for the show, which is rare.
So now you're green and go. You're actually green to go.
I might get back in later. I might trade something else or do a smaller share size. Or I might just keep the $200 and go. Might do that.
Yeah, you don't want to lose it all in the last 30 minutes.
I'm gonna go get a Bitcoin tattoo, probably.
I'm surprised you don't have one yet.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get one. Maybe on my neck.
That'd be cool.
I'm gonna do it on my arm. I'm gonna do it on my arm somewhere, but maybe on this one. I don't know. Let's see. Sold a couple shares of CVS. That is hitting a high RSI. It was. Sold a couple shares of 3M. I think all of those are.
Yeah, CVS. It's tagging extreme RSI again.
Let's see.
I didn't trim any CVS, but I'm back in the green though.
Man, everybody cried on those for a long time.
Yeah, 3M might be going for another breakout.
That's crazy. So the Qs right now at 536 are trying to break through resistance. Previous high becomes resistance. And if you look at the RSI, there's plenty of room. Plenty of room.
Yeah, Cisco's back in extreme RSI reading.
Yeah, Cisco's just like, wow. This is the S&P 500. The SPY, it's at 609. Stage 2 underway. It's trying to break through as well.
Yeah. So if it does, we got 2 new stage breakouts in the major indexes.
Now, the 20-year Treasury bond, I've been buying the TMF, which is triple leverage, of the TLT. We're headed higher.
I'm in the TLT and the TMF.
Something here.
Like after that doji on Wednesday, I added.
Oh, did you
I
right
added
here?
some. Yeah, I added some shares there.
Now, something I noticed, if you
Or
see...
yesterday I added.
Was it yesterday? If you see the 200-day moving average here, it's around $91. You know, and here's price, and here it is. But if you look at TMF, there's price, and there's the 200. You see how far up it is?
Mm-hmm.
That's the erosion.
Yeah, that's why you have to look at the underlying ticker.
Okay. So if you're trading a triple leverage, well, if you're in E-Trade, it won't come till tonight. Let's see.
Yeah, I might have got my Misty dividend in Schwab. They pay usually around this time.
Let's see. What else we got? The Coke move has surprised me.
Yeah.
I mean, geez, damn. Let me see. I should have got in that. I think I added Pepsi instead. Look at this.
Yeah.
Move. That is a nice move.
Yeah.
I've caught
really nice.
some big trades in Coke.
Yeah, I just got in I started building the XLP.
Let's see. Yeah, I mean, look at Pepsi. It just cannot get going.
Neither can Kraft Heinz. Again, now it failed the breakout. Another breakout attempt for Kraft Heinz.
Yeah, I wonder what's up. Let me see.
Campbell's.
Look at that. There's
Campbell's is on the breakout.
2 Jojis on Pepsi. Well, 3.
Yeah. Wow. Pepsi's one of your biggest holdings in your buying hold, right?
Yeah, this thing's going higher. So, target would obviously be, if you're short-term swing trader, right in there. If I was trading options, I'd take them off right there.
Jesus, Merck just keeps going down.
What does?
Merck. I can't believe it's gotten this cheap.
Yeah, it's crazy. Let me see. Hold on. Now here's Tesla. I tell you this morning at the open, I bought some TSLY.
Me too. Well, it's like quick after the open.
Yeah. I think it looks good.
Yeah.
We got there's our anchor. 1 bar, 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar, and it's above the 5.
The only thing is the RSI didn't go extreme, but does it? We could see
It's close.
if it.
I mean, it was close.
Yeah. It did. It just tagged it. Sorry, I didn't see it.
I mean, it wasn't like.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. Because if you look at the chart, it doesn't really go red too often.
E-Bank. Let's see.
IRM's below the 200.
Well,
It's been a while since that one's been below.
it's actually below the 200.
Yeah. I think it missed earnings yesterday.
I guess I don't have it in the in the chart pack.
Yeah, because it's been a while that it's even been possibly considered a buy. It's
Is it-
still, I'm sure it's fairly valued still.
Yeah, because it trades at a premium a lot. Now, something about these stocks that traded up. Yeah, it is. Look at that. There's still room for it to go lower. All the moving averages are pointing down.
Yeah, the TSI just crossed.
And the momentum on the MACD is still to the downside. And what I mean by that, guys, if let's just try to plot these for a second. Wow.
Yeah, seriously, press like
Totally tubular. Valley Girl. Yeah. I mean, I like Iron Mountain. Do you know the true value on it?
I don't remember. We had just looked it up. I don't remember exactly what it was.
Let's see.
But I'm pretty sure it was either fairly valued or overvalued when we looked. Maybe it's a bit lower now, though.
Yeah. If anybody has one for us to look at, let us know. I've made a lot of moves because everything's going up. I mean, it feels like it.
Yeah, Race just keeps going too. Look at Race. Put in a doji yesterday and another doji
Now,
right now.
Be honest, you kind of doubted that one.
No, I didn't.
You didn't
doubt
doubt
it.
it? Okay.
No.
I think a lot of people did. And it went straight up. This took a minute. Took a little while.
Yeah.
Let me see. Let's see the chart I marked up. Or did we did that in trade of the week?
Yeah.
All right. Airbnb blew through the upside target. That's
Bam.
nice.
And now it's back above the 200.
Yeah, the trades of the week, man, it's like they all work. I mean, we've had a couple go against us, but a lot of them are, I mean, I don't know. I'm humbly one of the best stock pickers in the world. Let's see. I believe that.
Yeah, the stock wizard.
The Wizard of Burgundy.
Stock wizard.
The Oracle of Burgundy. Let's see. Adobe, that's a slow climb. AG&C, man. We got that one right.
Yeah, we did.
That was beautifully timed trade too. So you're buying something that pays 15% yield. So it's paying over 1% a month. We bought it on margin. And then it just runs straight up. That's how you offset erosion, by the way.
I'm green in agency, and I'm also green in my buy and hold in agency. Like, I can't believe it. It's like the first time I've been green.
Nice. That's how we offset erosion. Let's see. Silver. I'm hoping to sell some up around this 48, 49. Silver's on the move. Nobody talks about it. It's the poor man's gold. It's like Bitcoin Cash. Now, what would you say this is?
Air?
Yeah,
Stage 4?
Would you say stage 4? Now, this is what I talk about here.
So I was just doing another class. Let's talk about shorting Ford. I'll put a video. I don't talk a lot about shorting. It's part of trading. It's in my book, The Money Flow Trading System. If you got the book, once you understand the chapters, I mean, I'm not selling investments because it's now a short position. A short position is a temporary trade. I believe that the markets go up 70+% of the time. That means 30% of the time the market's going down. And that's a very small window in the world of probabilities. Remember, the money flow is about a fractal pattern. If you remember that in the very beginning of the book, this marker's going dead, that I believe price moves in 4 stages. And that this is a fractal pattern. Fractals are infinitely complex patterns. It's an infinitely complex pattern that's self-similar across different scales. We could go to a daily chart. That could be a weekly bar. That could be a monthly bar. It's self-similar across different scales. It's fractal. That's what this pattern of price movement, stage 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. These are fractal stage patterns. Okay. I hope that makes sense. I didn't go to MIT and I don't have a physics degree. This is just shit I came up with after studying hundreds of books and trading. Now, if you go look at the Ford chart, we saw Ford kind of topping out and then it was coming down and we had what we call the anchor point, the anchor point where price puts in the lowest low, stops. We have a low, the next candle comes up, holds it, and holds it. Well, in here, we'll have our anchor point. A couple bars in, we can have our.
Man, I like this guy's class.
Yeah, he seems pretty into it.
We have a tradable bottom if we're traders, right? And so as we watch these bars, we need 4 days to make sense of that day. And then what you hear me use the term boxes is kind of where that starts to come from as price starts to develop. So as price goes up, right, it'll stop and then it'll start to go sideways. It'll make a little box. And then it may keep going and we get, right? And so we know when we hit a target or RSI goes extreme, it doesn't mean the run's done. It just means it's often done. So as traders, if we've made money, let's downsize the trade because we know it's more likely to turn than it is to keep going. But if it keeps going, I want to keep making money. So I put in rules and I want to, get money in, get money out in a perfect world. And so as I'm watching Ford and it's putting in this stage 3 and it's starting to roll over and I'm just saying, hey, if I was going to short, this is what I'm looking for. Stocks that have clearly went sideways, clearly ran up, clearly went sideways.
Sounds like the professor.
Anchor point or a apex point at the top. It's rolling over and it looks like it's about to.
I don't have a bathrobe on though. Where's this?
Or a
shirt?
suit.
Or a suit.
Look at Crisp from the trade of the week.
Boom. Is it ripping?
Yeah.
This
Up
air.
Crisp is up 14.9%.
Nice.
Sorry, what were you gonna say about air?
It just does such good patterns. I mean, this one, like we talked about stage 4 decline, I'm waiting on that anchor point. We got it. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the box. Everything's moving sideways. So that pattern is just over and over and over and over. Same fucking pattern. Is the MFG trading any Chinese stocks? We got a few.
Never forget the yin.
What? The yin?
Yin?
The yin carry trade.
No, not that. YINN.
Right.
The leverage fund.
Break the stage 3 and go into a stage 4 decline. Well, if I'm a short seller, I'm waiting on that setup. This is the opposite of the stage 2 breakout. It's the exact opposite. Alpha right? We talk about that in the Two Selves ebook, How to Be 10 Foot Tall and Bulletproof.
Damn.
It's not really about trading, but it is a lot about the mindset of trading. That what you're seeing is a lot of parallels, meaning the stage 2 breakout. Well, the stage 4 breakdown is the opposite, right? A stage 3 is basically doing the same as the stage 1. 1 is the 3.
1 is the 3.
A 2 is a 4.
A 2 is a 4. It's the bipolar nature of the market, yin and yang. Look at this, man. So stage 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, sometimes I'll say I'm playing off the other anchor point. But once it establishes a new one, so at first we were probably playing off this one. There's your stage 1 entry, right?
Mm-hmm.
It starts to run, trade breaks down, starts to go again. And then, bam. So once it broke here, if I'm trying to short sell, that's probably where I would do it. Problem is you got a little support right in here. But if it breaks it,
You're going for a short?
I'm not, but I'm just saying. That's what
Yeah.
that's how I would do it. If I was doing it. If I was trying to short it. I'd be playing the long side today, though. I am.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I made it. But what I was playing was NVIDIA. Now, NVIDIA really flows on this 1 minute. But if you notice, it's almost exactly the same chart as the
TQ, yeah.
Yeah, because this is the wind for NVIDIA. And look, it's right there at the 200. If we look at TQ right there at the 200. Pretty cool.
Pretty cool, yeah. You AMD's trying to put in another stage 1, but it could just be part of the downslope.
Yeah, we're gonna be saying that for a year.
And LMT, Lockheed Martin's massive stage 4.
Well, here's the stage 4 decline. And the quicker you can identify distribution, that's when you want to go short, when it breaks distribution. This is page 10 of the Peters report. Kind of breaks down the strategy there. Anthony has that on his refrigerator.
That's awesome.
That's kind of weird to see that. I've never seen that before.
Yeah, like when that happened, that was...
Yeah, I'm there visiting, and it's like, okay, cool. The money, if you don't have the book, man, this is the book. You can grab it. A bunch of free shit in here. Let's see. Yeah, we don't want Bohr to move, man. I'm trying to accumulate thousands of shares. So hopefully it just stays still. And oil's still on a well, oil's stage 1 now, right?
Yeah. It's trying to form a stage 1 right at the 200. It's not above the 5 anymore.
We do have a hedge fund that has entered. Wrong one. That is trying to, that has entered Bohr, but it's a pretty small hedge fund. Let's see.
Damn.
Yeah, so CNBC Pro, you can link some accounts together. So it's 1,158,943. Just kind of a cool number.
How many accounts is that? Did you say, or that's all your accounts? That's all your accounts?
Not all
links?
of them. It'll only link 5.
Oh, okay. So like, oh yeah, that's, you said 5. It's like M1 and stuff.
Yeah, so it doesn't have so it has E-Trades and then M1. It doesn't have, do I have E1? Yeah.
There's M1.
Yeah, 2 M1s at the end. What it obviously don't have Coinbase. And I held some S&P on some other shit. That's taken a while though. I'm hoping to 2x that there, 3x it, and I sell some houses. So point to that is obviously it's possible. It's fun to watch the whole thing go up and down though. It can move in a day, you know. What's cool on here too, on the CNBC Pro, so now they're showing the bottom performers and then the top.
Okay.
Kind of cool, huh?
Yeah. So you buy today. You're gonna buy the bottom ones.
Good. It's been known to work.
Yeah, I gotta check my margin account.
And then you come over here, it'll show you earnings coming up, which is kind of cool.
Yeah, and then it shows you like the ex-dividend day, or they're doing a
Mhm.
stock split and stuff.
And it's doing that for all the stocks on your accounts.
And you pay for this monthly or per the year, whatever. You pay for CNBC?
Yep, CNBC Pro. It's kind of expensive, to be honest, but they have a lot of shit here.
Yeah,
You
it's
can,
it's
you
worth.
can live stream shit. You can, go watch stuff, charts, and then politics. It's more shit than you can take in, you know. But
It's actually good quality.
I think so. I enjoy it. It's also entertaining. You just want to watch. They have various commentators in there. Okay, so on Bohr, pull this up.
Wow, I just realized that the stock market's closed on Monday.
Yeah, I know. Pisses me off. What am I gonna do? Let's see. Good day to get a haircut, I guess.
Yeah,
Wow, Bohr went down.
and Baba just keeps Alibaba and Baba.
Mm.
It just keeps going up.
Let's see. Now I have Bobo.
Yeah, that dividend that's pays in Group B. It might be a nice dividend this time, since it's just gotten straight up.
What about erosion? What about erosion? Every time I put it in Instagram, I get talk. What about erosion? Bro, I'm up 17% on the year. The market is not. I don't know what to tell you. I'm sorry I don't have erosion.
Today, Cornerstone's my worst performers.
they
CRF
down?
is. Well, I'm checking now.
Yeah.
Down 0.81%, not even that much.
Yeah, Brandon's right. I used to use holidays and weekends for my Bitcoin studies.
You still do that though?
I still do it. Not as I don't go down the rabbit hole as much anymore. I'm not interested in layer 2 and all that shit. In DeFi, I'm just, and now I trade futures on Bitcoin. They close on Friday night at 5. Don't open back up till Sunday.
It's probably for your own good.
But it sucks if you have a contract and it's going,
Yeah.
Especially if it's
Keeps you on your toes.
keeps you on your toes.
Oh.
You think she hit a dab right before that?
Oh my god. No.
Or she's admits to it. Well, I am wondering if she smokes dabs or the old school.
I hope she smokes dabs. She looks like a pretty girl, so she's probably bougie. Moved
pretty
on
girls-
from that nasty ass
Bougie.
tasting shit. Just
Would you
puts
tell me it
tabs
was
only.
old man weed or some shit? I've told everyone I talk to about it. I'm like, you ever heard someone call it old man weed? They're like, what?
Yeah, right. Yeah, right.
I know
shit.
she always smoking. Because every time I make a joke about she's the first one to respond. I used to give the Wealth Squad up. I used to say they were over there blazing blunts and we were all drinking. But it's probably both now. She said smoking now.
Oh wow. So you knew it. She called it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Nah. Dabs all the way. Once you start dabbing, I cannot go. I haven't gone back in like 4 years to that. I can't do the ashtray taste. It's fucking tastes like shit. Smells like shit. Can't do it.
I like when people say, "Oh no, I don't do weed. I eat gummies."
They eat gummies.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's some
Same
people are
thing,
like, oh, I
dude.
don't smoke, but I eat gummies. Yeah, I've heard that.
As if that's good, better.
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
she's upper middle class white
yeah.
women.
That's what 30-year-olds are doing. Like,
Mhm.
oh, I don't smoke anymore. I eat gummies.
Mm-hmm. Oh shit. Yeah.
I'm assuming it's a strain.
Yeah.
I'll just do
Yeah.
dabs, dude.
They're growing it. They're out there growing it.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's got a strong flavor. Let's see. So that's the Chinese. What about Clip? That one's run up too, right?
Yeah, that one.
I have owned this for so long. It was one of the first ones I bought. I mean, all these sell-offs, you know, stage one buy, stage one buy, stage one buy, stage one buy. I mean, look at all these chances we had here. It's crazy. The old men be doing the gravity bong. Look at these stage one. So you're getting the bottom on that.
I use rigs now, like 4. I don't use bongs anymore.
Fancy. What does Lena say she's buying? My buy's right. Oh,
Ford,
right now.
Target, and Nike.
Yeah, those are probably all set up. Let's see. Ford. Man. Look at that doji at the bottom. Okay. This is the power of a doji. You should ignore dojis unless it's on an extreme. Look at that. The doji happened exactly where it stopped last time.
Yeah, and you had looked at the weekly chart at the beginning of the week, and it keeps stopping here.
I don't know if you remember, I was live and I was saying if it closed on a doji, I was buying.
Yeah, I remember.
Mm-hmm.
So you've been adding to Ford?
Oh yeah.
You didn't tell us.
Also in a big channel. I think I was live and talked about it.
Yeah, you just said on Monday if it closed with the doji you're adding, but I didn't get a text message saying that you were adding.
No, it was just on the live. Yeah, I like Ford play here. Are you in Ford?
Not at the moment. I thought about getting back in.
You should have got in on my
Dude,
live.
have you seen the new yeah, I thought about it, but I didn't. Have you seen the new fund that's like the battle fund from, I think it was Defiance, like ticker Elon?
Yeah, it makes no sense to me. You're gonna be long.
They're going short Ford and long Tesla.
I mean, to me, that's just a ridiculous tie-up.
Is that like you're going like long Nvidia, but
right?
Shorting like.
And this is what hedge funds do, you know. Sometimes they'll like short one oil stock and go long the other, you know. To me, it's ridiculous. Sometimes it makes sense, but yeah, I like the Ford play here. What was the other one? Nike. This was a trade of the week, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Look at that. And it's back in the box, man. And let's see. And it's back in the box a couple times. That's almost what I would call a demand zone.
Yeah. It's not just a support level.
Man. So I did a one-on-one with a gentleman who was not into stocks, but was learning because he did the second income stream. And he had only been for like a week, you know?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, he almost knew it better than anyone I've talked to.
Really?
And I was
He
like,
was so he was like studying that well?
yeah, I was like, you've never owned stocks? And he was like, no. He goes, let me make sure I know the difference between these closed-end funds and REITs.
Oh my God. Sounds like
Yeah,
an
I kept
astute
saying,
person.
are you fucking with me? Did you really just come in? So I was kind of asking him to write down some of his questions or whatever, or his experience, so I could explain that to other people the same way.
Yeah, that's cool. Well, a smart person just coming in and picking it up and not asking.
I hate to see people do that when they don't have a history of stocks. And a lot of people get excited about the strategy, want to put their family in.
Yeah.
Not, you know.
Like they can do it. I don't know if their family needs to get in on a margin right away.
Mm-hmm. I do
Unless
like
they're
how
like,
people just steal my strategy and go around teaching it. Proprietary. They don't see it that way though. Like
what do
if
you want
somebody,
them to do? Send them to send the family members to you?
yeah, yeah. It'd be like you went and bought an album and then you just went out and started playing those songs. It's not your song. You get what I'm saying? Nor are people equipped for teaching. And I didn't teach it to them. You notice there's a private Discord channel for it?
Mm-hmm.
That's the fucking point. It's private. Yeah. You notice I don't really teach it on YouTube?
Yeah.
That's the fucking point. It's private. So everything I come up with, people just steal the shit, go tell their friends and family. So every family member you've told, you need to send me money to make your karma good. So you owe me a bunch. Yes. Literally everyone I talk to does this. They're like, oh yeah, man, I was explaining it to my aunt. And I was like,
I mean, what do you expect? Obviously, they're gonna explain it to their family.
did they explain swing trading? No.
Like just if I found this new strategy, I'd want to be showing it to everyone too. Doesn't mean I'm gonna set them all up with an account. What if we're just talking about it and I'm just showing off my account?
Yeah, you didn't find it nor create it. I did. So I should have had them all sign a paper saying they wouldn't share it. Or I could sue them. Next thing you know, it'll be in Wealth Squad. They'll be claiming it. I'm surprised that ain't happened yet.
I mean, totally.
No one even thinks of that. But if it was a song or a book, say you wrote a book, and then I just copied your book and started handing out copies, that wouldn't be cool.
What if you released an album and I went to my family's house and started telling everyone about your new album?
Yeah, but you didn't go buy the album. You made copies of that album and gave them out free. Right? That would be not cool to the band. Well, that's the whole thing about blockchain, right? It's going to create digital ownership. So I don't know how that would work with a trading strategy. No one's thought of that, though. Let's see.
I mean, isn't it the copyrights are just going to be on the blockchain?
Let's see. I like this. Most family members, because they don't have to pay for it or go through what you did, won't keep doing it. That's also part of the problem, you know? Let's see. And then if the market goes down big, they're going to blame you. You put me in this. And then you'll be like, not me, man. I got it from this dude over here. And then everybody give me credit then. Money flow cover band. Yeah. Yeah, but it is like that. It's like you could create some proprietary trading strategy and people just like, oh, here, let me go tell everyone.
Yeah.
Nobody fucking asked you to. Let's see. That's why my new Joji system, I'm not telling a motherfucker. I'm just going to keep it. Use it myself. Every once in a while, I'll mention it and say, man, I'd like to tell you guys, but you'll run and tell your family. And your family didn't buy the goddamn book. Let's see. I like, we're in the Nike trade, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That's not fair to make people buy the book, Gerald, just because you spent hundreds and hundreds of hours researching and coming up with it. Kind of a sloping down channel. Appreciate you, man. Damn, he's kind of ugly, huh? That's Muschetti. He's a Mexican criminal. Let's see. Gang member. I'm in a gang too, man. Money flow gang. We're in a money getting gang. Told the guy last night he was a gang member and they were rapping. Shit, I'm in a fucking gang. Let's see.
I'm up 9%. Sorry. The
Go
IP
ahead.
lawyers, I'm up 9%, over 9%, and then the yield max in the video fund.
That's nice. We got on that perfect, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, what happened?
I'm up more probably than my dividend. It's gonna be.
That's nice, right?
Yeah.
I thought
we.
What about erosion? What about erosion? Now, did you run and tell all your family as soon as I put that pick out?
No.
I mean, what's wrong with that? People do that though. Doesn't even cross their mind they shouldn't do that. Let's see. MFG lawyers come in. Well, that won't happen because I hate lawyers, so I'll never use one. I would just come to your house. WBA, is it doing anything?
Let me check it out.
Let's see. Yeah, it's really hard to. That's like most of the time, like if you're Goldman Sachs,
Stage one.
They wouldn't share their strategies at all because of that.
Yeah, they definitely all signed papers.
Mm-hmm.
Like when they got employed.
Yeah. That's what I'm going to do with the new dojo one. Mm-mm. Let's see.
We got to sign agreements.
Yeah, and you got to have the tattoo. You can't get it. I won't give it to you.
Oh, looks like I won't get it.
Yeah.
Oh, well.
Well, you're helping me write, so you'll know.
Yeah, I'll have insider information.
Mm-hmm. Be on the phone immediately. You know what page 3 said?
Calling up people in Discord. Hey, guys.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, they'll be photocopying.
I created it.
Running to the wealth spot. Look what Jared did. I like this here. This was a nice buy under. Anytime you get these stocks that pay these dividends and they fall underneath that golden line, it's a good time. Has Wall Squad come out with anything new? They still trade over there?
I have no idea.
Yeah, I don't either. I don't go there. I'm only in one Discord. I know some of you guys are in 2 and 3, which is fucking retarded, but some of them are. It's so stupid to be in 2 Discords. You can't you can't do all the shit in one. What good is 2? I mean, it's a terrible way to the new strategy is Bitcoin only.
Oh my God.
I guess you pay to be in Discord for Bitcoin. That wouldn't make sense. I'm sure Chris is doing something else. I tried telling him, get on Bitco, man. There's a couple of things you could do besides just Bitcoin, right?
Right. There's the Ground Hill YBTC that pays weekly.
I think the margin maintenance on that's 100%, huh?
Yeah, it is. That's why we're not all over it.
What was the other one? Oh, Target. Target. And Target's below the 200. Still a stage 4.
Yeah.
The moving averages are pointing straight down. See how the 5 is below, or today's bar is below the 5. It has stopped here before. So you got 3 bars. If you can get this one to break out above it, you got something there. But, you know, if you look at the RSI, there's still room to the downside. But look at the MACD. It ticked. So what?
Yeah, now the momentum's changing.
Yeah, that's your
Went
first
flat
sign.
and ticked.
Yep. That is your first sign. Now we need to see this curve like that. We got to get that curve, that bottom.
Yeah, it's got a
curve.
curl and then cross.
Want to get that curl. As soon as you start to see the curl, you know, you're going to be in, because if you look, let's see. So you're looking for the exact same patterns, you know. Yeah, I like it. But I would wait.
Yeah, like there's no rush.
Let's see.
Right? Love, hate, love, and war and all that. But I hope that helps. That's how I was looking at Ford, was that was a breakdown in the stage. And then where would I set my target? I look left, wherever, like, okay, look over here. Maybe there's a box here. So on the way down, it's probably going to hit that box. If that's not a target, meaning if there's a whole lot of support when I look left right here, maybe that's not a good short trade. What I'd like to see is an elevator down. I'd like to see some space. And we had a pullback a while back, and I didn't bother shorting. Sometimes I'll short the SPY. Sometimes I will. But on the Qs, it was like, it seemed like every dollar, there was literally a support level. And that just seemed like a lot of chop to me. Looking back, it would have traded fine. But so again, I'm doing the opposite. Just like I look for targets to the upside, I look left. Has it been here before? Boom, probably go there again. RSI hits. I'm looking to take some off. Why? All the indicators are lining up for it to turn around and go the other way. Price is just looking for balance. It runs up too high, comes down too low, runs up too high, comes down too low. I simply call that fractal pattern of the money flow, man. I hope that helps.
Damn.
Yeah.
The pattern of the money flow.
Today is the X date for Cornerstone, so I think that's why they're down slightly.
Man, I wish I'd have brought my skateboard.
Maybe that was the bottom, and I pray to God.
Oh my God.
Sleep can't wait, where I've been watching the charts. Hoping for the pump, but expecting the dump. Are they gonna pull the rug on us? Just let it run and let us long forever. We don't have the powder, but we're sliding the lever. 50x or more shit, we will never short it. That's only for the side bears. Can you imagine when you're folio? Is that an all-time?
That's a weird one, huh?
Yeah, it's a different one. I haven't heard that one.
Yeah, that one's from a couple years ago. I do like little.
Oh, it's called Forever Long. Like, I think it was supposed to be like that song Forever Young, now that I see it.
Let's see.
Woke up, check the chart, had a heart attack. Yeah, we climbed so far from where we started at. Tell me where were you when Biddy hit 100
We were
racks?
watching, waiting.
Kept the faith, ran the race, now we run it back.
Woke up,
That's
checked the
attack.
chart, had a heart attack. Yeah, we climbed so far from where we started at. Tell me where were you when Biddy hit 100 racks? We kept the
That's what I
faith,
should be.
ran the
Mardi Gras
race,
and
now we
Bitcoin.
run it back. 100 racks,
The big fat Bitcoin.
100 bands, 100 million sats. Hold it in my hands. Yeah, they used to laugh at us, now they want to dance. They never bought any before, but now they want a chance. TV news reports going to the moon. A year ago, that very station told you it was doomed. I was telling everyone about it, they never heard me though. Now I'm checking my folio, getting vertigo. Woke up, checked the chart, had a heart attack.
That's nice. That is nice. So
Yeah.
I think Dow popped. Someone saying that Dow looks nice. Let's see.
Let's see.
Yeah, it's back, almost back up in the box here. Yeah.
Yeah.
What about KHC?
It's back. It failed to break out.
I mean, it's holding the zone.
Yeah.
But you're right. Sellers came in immediately. That's not good.
Looks just like AMD. Down
Yeah.
slope.
Yeah. I don't know. We'll see. There's one more, and then we'll probably get out of here. I mean, everything looks good. I like this trade. This is Skylar got me in this one.
Yeah, that's a good one. Triples.
Yeah. I mean, it hasn't gone fucking up yet, Skylar, but
What about Roku?
let's see. I don't know what that is. It's like little penis emojis.
Those are speakers.
Oh.
They're like bass, the speaker with like noise coming out of it. It's like a bass.
No, that's what that was.
Yeah, it's a speaker.
Oh. Okay. Just saying. What was the other one?
Roku.
Let's see. Thought it was something else. Let's see. Nice. Bam. I remember people telling me the market never gonna come back after the meme crash. Never come back. Your Roku back at 100. Gonna make its way back to 300. Man. Come on, man. That's nice. I would trim
Yeah, that's
that.
nice. For sure.
That's it. What else we got? Let me see if there was anything in the news here that was worth looking at.
This so that in 10 years when we're having debates about whether or not we need the Fed to cut in order to keep the rally going or whatever whatever we name the segment, I want people to remember not all segments of the market want lower rates, rate cuts, lower for longer. Yeah. And this is a really great example. This is the best group of stocks that I've seen in a long time that didn't make software. And within financials, the amount of diversity in the ecosystem we have in publicly traded XLF names, they span the gamut. And what they all have in common is they need for there to be a real risk-free rate in order to price their products and services somewhere where there's an actual profit margin. And
yeah, I do.
It's not.
I got 3.
No longer going to be this monolithic conversation of how many rate cuts do we need for the bull to continue on. We don't want rate cuts. We're fine. If we get one, we could live with it. We don't need 7. We don't need emergency rate cuts. We don't need QE. This environment has been outstanding for banks, insurers, you name it, go on down.
So he said banks, right?
Yeah, like BX is back in the stage 1, but JPM has been one that's just been like exploding. Goldman Sachs too, probably. Yeah, Goldman Sachs is and JPM.
Yeah. What about KRE? I got a little trade going in that. The regional banks haven't gone up as much. But all those type of stuff, it's steadily going up though.
Yeah. Same thing with SoFi tried to break out, but it not right now it's below the 20, but the 20 is also flat.
Look at Gush, stage 1. See it?
If you're showing it on yours, we can't see it.
There we go.
Yeah, nah.
This is Gush.
Yeah, but the 20's pointing straight down.
That's true. It's a stage 1 right now, but you getting the curl here. MACD trend change.
You see that? You see the previous run, one extreme RSI to another, bam.
Perfect swing trade. Right here to right here, perfect.
And it's like kind of in a channel like oil was.
Yeah, so that was Gush's oil service companies, I think. That's Exxon. I'm in this as a trade, and
Yeah.
obviously I have it in my buy and hold.
CVX is on the breakout, and that 20 is starting to curl. It just froze up.
There we are.
Oh my god. I didn't see her emojis.
I think it was Rich. No, well, I won't get into all that. Let's see. Might be a good spot to call it there. Yeah, everything looks good, guys. I mean, there's CVX. Anytime you can get CVX Chevron below the 200, you buy it. Look over here, boom. Over here, boom. Over here, boom. I mean, come on. Oh, what's up, Major? I appreciate you, man.
Yeah, you're our favorite YouTuber.
Man, you guys, weird people. I am. Yeah, I always tell people. They say, "Who's your favorite?" I say, "Me." fuck other YouTubers. But usually they'll always mention someone else. Musicians will do that. I'll be like, "Who's your favorite guitarist?" They never say themselves. Anybody else audio not working? Look at this guy. Not working, huh?
It's working for me.
Yep, I fixed it. That's it, man. I think everything's good. Everything's flying. I think we there was a few we put out there. Target, not quite ready yet, in my opinion. Ford.
Yeah, like Target's not ready yet, but
Ford's
you liked it.
Yeah.
Ford, Nike.
Ford's ready. Yeah, my charts aren't even working. So that's it, man. That's all I got. What about you?
That's it.
All right. We're gonna holler at you.
Thanks for having me.
Yep.
On
Stay
your
on for a
birthday.
second. Yeah. Stay on for a second. Hold on. We'll go out with some music. We gotta get the good one though, right?
Yeah. The main one.
Damn, my shit. They're probably over here working on my neighborhood. You still hear me?
Yeah.
That's weird. Is it just
I hear you.
I know, I'm wondering why this isn't loading. Let's try it again. I think it's my internet. I just saw the Cox truck go by. It's usually a bad sign.
Yeah.
Damn.
Is it still police state over there?
No, I mean that was just for the Super Bowl.
Yeah, but now it's like Mardi Gras.
Yeah, but you want police out at Mardi Gras. Otherwise, there were police last time you were here for Mardi Gras.
Yeah.
They're not messing with anybody unless you need to be messed with. Here we go. I guess it's not going to let me, so we'll just call it in there to it, guys. Hope you can hear me. Hey, if you haven't hit the QR code, man, get on the Substack list. If you need help with your trading, get on our trade of the week. I've been hot. Nobody should be paying for it. You should be well into the profit. Taking those trades. If you don't have money to take them all, paper trade them. Wouldn't you say?
Yeah, definitely paper trade.
Can't beat them. All right. So, peace.